Hello! In this lesson we are going to consider past paper analysis and approaches standard level 2025 paper 1. Question number 4. In this question we have to find the area completely enclosed by curves. Given all conditions about the curves, there are 4 marks, so about 4 minutes this video will take. And let's bound, so we have to understand how to find. My suggestion is to make a quick sketch. We have to understand what area it looks like and what we should find. So from -1 to 1, and given two functions, e to the x, which is exponential function, right? So this is exponential function, and minus e of x. So minus e of x is just a reflection in x-axis, right? So in x-axis it's reflected, and let me use like this, something like this. And if we will put one somewhere here, yeah, it's more convenient. Okay, so we should find this area. Okay, so we should find this area. And how to find this area? First of all, we can do next thing. We can say that this area is equal to that area because it's reflection, right? That's why we have to multiply this area by 2. So this is e to the x, and calculating this area, let's say a1, yeah, a1 is equal to integral from -1 to 1 of e to the x dx, right? And then after that we will multiply by 2, so the total area is equal to 2a1, right? We'll simply multiply by 2. Okay, now let's solve it. So e to the x, what's the integral? If you will use the formula booklet, you will see that e to the x integral is equal to e to the x plus c. But we don't need c because it is definite integral, right? So the answer here is e to the x and the boundary from -1 to 1. So now we have to plug the 1 first and subtract e in power -1. So it is area of the a1. And now let's just plug our answer. So this answer should be plugged here. Okay, so let's write it down. E minus e to the power of -1. Okay, that's it. So there is 4 marks actually. So the first mark, it's about the integral for method. Another mark is that you find the integral itself. Yeah, so this also could be counted as a method. And for answer and final answer, there are 4 marks total. Okay, it takes about 3 minutes. Hope it's clear for you. If not, just ask any questions in the comments. Subscribe to my other social media networks accounts. Let's make math easier together. Watch my other videos, and goodbye.